Bloomberg Business Flash.
Charlie Pell, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Matt Miller, Paul Sweeney, live here in our Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio. Our next guest, Nouvelle Gonzalo, founder, Gonzalo Law Group. She joins us live here in our Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio. Harmful youth marketing. What's going on? I mean, the stock, nobody cares in the stock. Stock's up 155%. From a legal perspective, is there anything there?
Oh my gracious, this is huge. This is an amazing case because you were looking at over 43 attorney generals from different states that are bringing this case against Meta. And we're talking about a platform that owns Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp. There's about 4 billion users worldwide. What's that?
Threads.
Okay.
That's their new Twitter competitor, right? Threads.
Yes. So, this is huge. And we have not seen this type of bipartisan support with 43, states going against them. But essentially what the issue is here, this is not only data privacy law, but this is data privacy law in children. Because essentially what the states are arguing is that, hey, you are intentionally harming children with how you're handling your platforms, the features that you're putting in place. And there were internal memos that were leaked from Meta into the public marketplace. And we found out that Meta was aware of the harm that some of its features cause to children. And so now the states are in an uprising over this. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're watching with this case and watching the impact with it. And essentially some of the main concerns, because you might say, okay, well, listen, isn't this just business as usual? Companies want to have platforms that their users want to be on. They want to make it user friendly. They want people to be engaging with it. So how is this that different? But the concern here is not just that, okay, we have an engaging platform, people are using it. But the concern here is that they have a platform that is specifically geared toward and working to psychologically hook kids. And so you say, okay, well, what features are that? I mean, isn't it just kids, online socializing with one another? But actually we see the comparison-like feature, the filters they say are promoting body dysmorphia and eating disorders. They're, saying, oh, did you have that?
No, I have none of that. What I'm fascinated by, look, there's a ton of studies that show us that social media is in general toxic, but it's especially toxic to children, but so are lots and lots of other things. Hey, if our product is bad for you,
right?
Well, but isn't this something parents are supposed to regulate with their kids' screen time?
I was thinking exactly the same